Good morning. I am K. Yogunath, Assistant Professor, Mathematics Department, NPR College of Engineering and Technology, Dindikkal. Now we are going to discuss the paper Engineering Mathematics 2. Subject code of this paper MA 8251. This is 2017 regulations, Anna University, Chennai. In this paper has 5 units. The third unit is analytic function. Now I like to explain constructions of analytic function by Milne-Thomson method. From this area having two model. So in this class I will explain model number 1. What is model number 1? Aim is very clear. We can find f of z. F of z consists two parts, u plus iv, u and b. So minimum we need two parts, u and b. But here any one part is available. What is a? In this class u part is only available. Without v, how can we find f of z? That is the questions. The formula, everything is very clear. Milne formula. Using this formula we can find f of z. What is the formula? Integral phi 1 of z comma 0 minus I phi 2 of z comma 0 into dz. Our aim is very clear. We have to find phi 1 of z comma 0. How can we find out phi 1 of z comma 0? Phi 1 of z comma 0 is nothing but dou u by dou x at z comma 0. And phi 2 of z comma 0 is dou u by dou y at z comma 0. So first our aim, we have to find phi 1 of z comma 0 and phi 2 of z comma 0. Substitute these values in above formula, we get f of z. And important one point, note point, suppose we can find v using this formula, dv equal to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. So I will explain this formula with problems. Sum number 1, prove that u is equal to 2xy plus 3y is harmonic. Okay. Second question is find analytic function f of z. And third one is find its conjugate. Conjugate means conjugate of u is very clear. What is v? Our aim, we have to find v. Solution, u is equal to 2x plus 3y. What is our first aim? U is harmonic. Harmonic means satisfies Laplace equation. So dou squared u divided by dou x squared plus dou squared u divided by dou y squared equal to 0. So dou u by dou x is equal to 2y. Dou squared u divided by dou x squared equal to 0. Okay. Dou u by dou y. Take a partial differentiation with respect to y of u term. We get 2x plus 3. You do the differentiation once again with respect to y. In RHS there is no y, so 2x plus 3 keeping as constant, so we get 0. So adding dou squared u divided by dou x squared plus dou squared u divided by dou y squared equal to 0. Hence u satisfies Laplace equation, so meaning u is called harmonic functions. First questions is completed. What about second one? To find f of z by Milne-Thomson method. We take Milne-Thomson formula. F of z is equal to integral pi 1 of z comma 0 minus I pi 2 of z comma 0 and dz. So first we can find out pi 1 of z comma 0. How can we find out? First we take dou u by dou x. Already we found out. What about dou u by dou x value is 2y. Substitute z comma 0 in this problem. Y is 0, so 2 into 0, 0. So phi 1 of z comma 0 value is phi 1 of z comma 0 value is 0. Next dou u by dou y. Where is dou u by dou y? Here 2x plus 3. Substitute z comma 0. So 2z plus 3. So phi 2 of z comma 0 value is 2z plus 3. Substitute these values in f of z formula. So f of z is equal to integral 0 minus I into 2z plus 3 into dz. Now f of z equal to minus I of integral of 2z is 2z squared by 2 plus integral of 3 is 3z plus c. The finally our f of z of this form minus I into z squared plus 3z. Next we can find conjugate of u. Definitely we get v. What is v? How can we find v? Using the formula dv equal to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. Given function is analytic function. CR equation 100% is satisfied. So we know the formula dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. So very clear here we have dou v by dou y is replacing by dou u by dou x. And dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. So very clear here dou v by dou x is equal to minus dou u by dou y. Then substitute dou u by dou y value is 2x plus 3. Then dou u by dou x value is 2y. Now take integrating, integral dou v is equal to minus integral 2x plus 3 into dx plus integral 2y into dy. Integral dv is v equal to minus of 2x squared by 2 plus 3x plus 2y squared by 2. Finally, a conjugate of u, that is v, is minus x squared minus 3x plus y squared. Sum number 2, prove that the u part is very lengthy, sin x cos hy plus 2 cos x sin hy plus x squared minus y squared plus 4xy satisfies Laplace equation, that is harmonic function, and also find f of z. So in this problem there is no need to ask conjugate of u. What is a, what is v? Okay, anyhow, first part, u is equal to sin x cos hy plus 2 cos x sin hy plus x squared minus y squared plus 4xy. To prove that dou squared u divided by dou x squared plus dou squared u divided by dou y squared equal to 0. That is Laplace equations. First do partial differentiation with respect to x of u. Here sin x, differentiation of sin x is plus cos x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, differentiation of x squared is 2x, y squared is 0, differentiation of 4xy is 4y. Once again do the differentiation of this function with respect to x. We get dou squared u divided by dou x squared. Now differentiation of cos x means minus sin x, differentiation of sin x means cos x, differentiation of 2x means 2. So which is equation number 1. Next one, dou u by dou y, differentiation of u with respect to y, differentiation of cos hy means sin hy, here sin hy means cos hy, minus y squared means minus 2y, plus 4xy is plus 4x. Once again do the differentiations of dou u by dou y with respect to y. Differentiation of sin hy means cos hy, sin x cos hy, plus 2 cos x sin hy minus 2, which is equation number 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, what we get? Dou squared u divided by dou x squared plus dou squared u divided by dou y squared is equal to, I think here sin x cos hy, sin cos y cancel, 2 cos hy, 2 cos x sin hy again, we have plus 2 minus 2 cancel, everything is cancelled, so we get 0. So u satisfies Laplace equations. Next our aim to find f of z. F of z is equal to integral pi 1 of z comma 0 minus I into pi 2 of z comma 0 into dz. So phi 1 of z comma 0 value is, how can we calculate the values? We have to substitute dou u by dou x, where is it? You can put z equal to 0, x equal to z, y equal to 0. Sin 0 value is 0, 4y is 0. So what we get? Cos 0 value is 1. So we get a cos z plus 2z. So this is phi 1 of z comma 0. Next we can use in phi 2 of z comma 0. How can we calculate phi 2 of z comma 0? We have to substitute z comma 0 in dou u by dou y. We get sin 0 is 0, cos 0 value 1. So 2 cos z plus 4z. Substitute these two values in given formula. Then we take integral of cos z means sin z plus integral of 2z means 2z squared by 2 minus I, integral of 2 cos z plus 4z means 2 sin z 4z squared by 2 plus c. So this is the f of z of second number, sum number 2. So in this class, very clear construction of f of z by Milne-Thomson method, having two models, there is no doubt. Model number 1, what is model number 1? U part is given without v, how can we find out f of z? This is his first question. What about the second question? U part is given, then how can we find out v? Using dv formula, and then using CR equation, because function is analytic and we can using CR equation, definitely we can find out conjugate of u. And include one more question, harmonic mean given part, that means u part satisfies Laplace equation, definitely given function is called harmonic functions. Laplace equation means dou squared u divided by dou x squared plus dou squared u divided by dou y squared is equal to 0. In the next class we have to discuss model number 2. Thank you for your